Hello students, in this video I am discussing about hydraulic turbines. Okay, so hydraulic, okay, that is water. Water turbines are the machines which convert the water energy into mechanical energy, right? So the water energy may be either in the form of a potential energy, as we find the dams, reservoirs, or the other form of kinetic energy in flowing water, right? So the shaft of the turbine is directly coupled to a electric generator which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is known as hydroelectric power, right? So next we move on to classification of hydraulic turbine. So water turbines are classified into various kinds according to the action of the water on a blades and based on a direction of a fluid flow through a runner and a specific speed of the machine, right? So first we move on to uh, based on a action of the water on a blades. Okay, so it may be classified into impulse type and reaction type. Okay, so in case of impulse turbine, the pressure of the flowing fluid over the runner is constant. Okay, so in practice, this pressure turn to be atmospheric pressure. Okay, so all the available potential energy at inlet will be completely used in producing a kinetic energy, which in term utilized through a purely impulse effect to produce work. Okay, so as a whole impulse turbine, the available energy at the inlet of the turbine is only the kinetic energy. Okay, so in case of reaction turbine, okay, that is pressure turbine. The turbine casing is filled with the water, and the water pressure changes during the flow through a rotor. In addition to kinetic energy from the nozzle, that is fixed blades. Okay, so fixed blades as a whole, both potential and kinetic energy are available at the inlet of the reaction turbines for producing the power. Okay, so this is about impulse and reaction turbine, that is based on a action of water on a blade. Okay, so the second classification is based on the direction of a flow of a fluid through a runner. Okay, so it is classified into tangential or a peripheral flow. Second one is a radial, inward or outward flow. Third one is a mixed or a diagonal flow, and the fourth one is a axial flow type. Okay, so the first one is uh, tangential flow machines. Okay, so the tangential flow turbines, the water flows along the tangent to the path of the rotation of the runner, for example Pelton wheel. Okay, so and the second one is a radial flow turbine. Here, the radial flow machines, the water flows along the radial direction, and flow remains normal to the axis of rotation as it passes through a runner. It may be inward flow or outward flow. Okay, so in inward flow turbine, the water enters at the outer periphery and passes through the runner inwardly towards the axis of rotation and finally leaves in at the inner periphery. Okay, for example Francis turbine. In outward flow turbine machines, the flow direction is opposite to the inward flow machine. Okay, so this is about a radial flow turbine. Okay, and the third one is a mixed flow turbine or a diagonal flow turbine. Okay, in this type of the turbine, the flow of the fluid may enter into the outer periphery, passes over the runner inwardly, uh, and leaves axially or parallel to the axis of rotation, and vice versa. Okay, for example modern Francis turbine. Okay, so and the fourth one, last one is axial flow devices. Okay, in this type of the turbine, the water flows along the direction uh, parallel to the axis of rotation. Okay, so for example Kaplan turbine and propeller turbines, etc. Okay, so the third classification is based on specific speed, right? So the hydraulic turbines are classified into low specific speed, medium specific speed, and high specific speed. Okay, so in case of low specific speed, the which employs a high head in the range of 200-meter up to 1700. Okay, 1700 meter. These machines requires a low discharge. For example, Pelton wheel, that is a specific speed range is 10 to 30 for a single jet, and 30 to 50 for a double jet, the double jet Pelton wheel. Okay, and second one is a medium specific speed, which employs the moderate height in the range of 50 meter to 200 meter. For example, Francis turbine, here specific speed is 60 to 400. Okay, and the last one is high specific speed, which employs a very low head, that is that has a range of 2.5 meter to 50 meter. This requires a high velocity, high discharge. Example, Kaplan propeller, etc. Type of the turbine, etc. Here the specific speed range is 300 to 1000. Okay, so this is the range of the specific speed. Okay, so based on the specific speed type of the hydraulic turbines. Okay, so this is about the classification of the hydraulic turbine. Thank you.